Good morning. I'm talking really low because it is Monday morning, October 21st, and it is 4:35 a.m. this morning. I just want to share with you what I do in an entire week running an Etsy business as well as holding down a full-time job. My shift starts at 7 a.m. So I am up early this morning. I am dressed. I've taken out my mini twist this morning, and I am going to get dressed and then go in and look up my Etsy shop to see how many orders I received overnight and Sunday, and print those orders out. So let me show you what I do before I go to work. Okay, I have printed off all of my 3 orders that I received, and I will take care of those this evening when I get home and get them packaged and shipped off. Okay, I am dressed. It is a little bit after 5, and it's time for me to leave, and I'll see you this evening for the packing of my orders. So I'll see you this evening when I get home from work. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and I am up checking my orders that I received. I have 5 orders that I received, and so I am going to print those out this morning, and then when I get home, when I get home this evening, I will start prepping the boxes, the labels, and things like that. So it is Tuesday morning, and I'm off to work. So I'll see you this evening for the second day of what I do as a Etsy shop owner, working a full-time job. Okay, it is Wednesday night. It is 10 p.m. and I have been working for about 4 hours. I got home about 7 o'clock tonight. I got off work an hour earlier, and so I have made scalp wipe, hair mask, my scalp tonic. In this particular order, this is a total of 5 orders that I will take to the post office Thursday morning around probably about 6 a.m. So, as I said, this is 5 orders that I will pack up tonight and hopefully get done by 12 midnight and shower and off to bed. So this is another look into my life as an Etsy shop owner and working a full-time job. I am tired right now, and so I am going to end Wednesday night, and I'll see you in the next clip. Good night.